Want to earn extra cash trying new apps? If you love trying out new apps and want to turn that into a side hustle, this one's for you. Here's how you can start making money by writing simple app reviews on writereviews.com. Writereviews.com is a platform that pays you to test and review apps, from gaming to productivity and lifestyle apps. I've been using it for a few weeks and honestly, it's super beginner friendly. Here's how it works. Sign up using the link below. It's super quick and easy, and you get access to a variety of apps to try out. Follow the built-in training to write short, honest reviews. You'll even get your own app review website to publish on. They also include free training on SEO and content writing, so you're not just earning, you're also learning real skills. Earnings do vary depending on your effort and consistency. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. But if you stick with it, it's a solid way to earn extra cash on your own schedule. If this sounds something like you'd enjoy, check out writereviews.com through the link in the description. It's flexible, fun, and a cool way to turn your screen time into a side income. Give it a shot and let me know how it goes.